Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install WhatsApp on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 or on any Windows using the web version. So let's go ahead and get started. Let's launch your web browser and just type WhatsApp on your Google search and you would see the first result that comes up. Click on WhatsApp and it should take you to this page. Now click on the download option, and if you're using this from your phone you would select the Android if you have an Android, or the iPhone if you have an iPhone. Since we're doing this on Windows, we're going to click on Get It from Microsoft, and that will basically open your Microsoft Store app on your Windows 10 or 11. Okay, so once you see this, just click install and it's going to take a few seconds to install. Now it's installing, so once it's complete, just click open and that should open this window. Click on get started. Now let's go to your phone and you should scan the QR from your phone using the WhatsApp application on your phone. Now from your phone, launch WhatsApp, and to your right upper corner there's 3 dots. Click on those and it should bring this menu. Click on link device and you should see this link a device. Click on link a device. Okay, now it should launch the QR scanner. Point that to the QR tag and you should be linked to your device. Okay, so once you scan the QR from your device, you should be logged into the WhatsApp application on Windows, and you get to see all of your contacts, and you could select anyone you want, and you could send text from here. So like you could type anything you like and send text messages. You could also send voice messages by clicking on the microphone icon, and you could also make a phone call, and you could make a video call as well. Now if you do not have Windows 10 or Windows 11, you could always use the web version. Once we are at the website, so you could see the option that says WhatsApp web. If you click on it, it will take you to this page where you have to scan the QR one time only, and after that you don't have to scan it anymore, and you're able to use WhatsApp from your browser. And that's all I wanted to show you for this video. Thank you